Hello, Ubash from Specialist Cars. Hope you're all keeping well. Normally be outside, but today's absolutely throwing down. It's pretty dismal, but I suppose it's a typical bank holiday weekend, isn't it? Well, let's hope for the better sunshine. So what have I got here? This little beauty just arrived in. It is absolutely awesome. And you can see my workshop at the same time. So I'll give you a quick glance of one part of the workshop to give you a bit of indication of what Specialist Cars and Harris Motor Company is all about. So this is our workshop. Got 3 ramps in here and we are an MOT station. So a couple of 2-posters and a 4-poster. And we've got the tyre bay through the doors in there. With another ramp in there as well. So going back to what we've got. Mini Countryman John Cooper Works. Absolutely phenomenal car. 2020 with just 25,000 miles. Full mini service history, around £2,000 worth of factory fitted options. There's 300 brake horsepower beauty. And probably one of the best colours out there. Moonstone grey. Is it Moonwalk grey? There we go, product knowledge. But it is absolutely outstanding. Absolutely love it. So if you want to mini adventure, as they say, what about that one? So 300 brake horsepower, of course 4-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic. It's got all the toys, parking sensors, reverse camera, sat nav, heated seats. Just look at it. The car is almost like new. All the wheels are totally unmarked. It's got a Michelin cross climate tyres fitted all the way around. So, just waiting for the better weather so I can get the pictures and the videos on the website, but it should be on the website with a bit better weather, which is autochange.co.uk. Pop over there, or if you want any further information, please just pick the phone up and give me a call on 01782 822 700. That's 01782 822 700, or autochange.co.uk. Or if you're selling a nice car, remember, webuynicecars.co.uk. That's webuynicecars.co.uk, not any. Thanks for watching. Catch up with you soon.